For my pre-workout, I just take a Red Bull and I mix it with some branched chain amino acids and I'm good to go. The caffeine, the sugar, it all works perfectly for me. If I don't want sugar on that day, I'll do a sugar-free Red Bull because I love aspartame. It's just the best. Just kidding. I don't have any of that kind of stuff. I have a specific recipe that I like to make as the healthiest, most powerful, health supportive, and performance enhancing pre-workout. And in 10 seconds, I'm gonna show you exactly how I make it. Hi, I'm Sage. Thanks for joining me. I'm here to be your source of cutting-edge wellness information that can help you find answers to become happier and healthier. Please do me a favor and support us by hitting the subscribe button and ringing the notification bell. It does so much to support our tiny family business and just takes you a moment to do. As you guys know, I'm so passionate about sharing information and educational information to help you along your health journey, but I also want to support you with some of the amazing products I've created for our company. In the description, you'll find a link to take you to our website where we have the world's healthiest gourmet chocolates, delicious adaptogen elixir blends, and the purest and most potent individual adaptogen extracts for you to take your health to the next level. So let's start here with what I'm going to make before my workout. I'm going to take a little cup and I'm going to put in half a teaspoon of black ginger. This is really going to get the circulation and vasodilation going, and there's great research on this for improving exercise performance. Then we're going to do a teaspoon of astragalus. This is a traditional Chinese herb that has powerful benefits in terms of increasing your body's own natural energy production. It's not a stimulant, it's just helping your body to make more of its own natural energy as it loves to do. And it's also traditionally regarded very highly for improving strength of the extremities, arms and leg strength primarily. Then we're going to do half a teaspoon of cordyceps. Cordyceps is a great famous athlete's tonic because it improves your oxygen utilization. So you get more oxygen actually from what you breathe going to your blood, going to your muscles. That's going to help you perform better. So you've got just these powders in there. I'm not going to tell you to put those powders straight in your mouth because that would be rough on its own. I'm going to stir these powders up amongst themselves, and then we're going to put a teaspoon or two of raw honey in here. Raw local honey, great for supporting the immune system. Just got a couple grams of sugar in there. You probably get about 6 grams of sugar if you do two teaspoons, which it's not that bad. If you're on a 0 sugar program, that's okay. You can either put a little bit of water in here, or you can do like an allulose syrup would be another good option. And so we just stir this and stir this and stir this. It's going to seem like it's not going to work, but eventually it'll all stir up into a really nice paste. Then you just scoop all that onto a spoon, put that in your mouth, and you are good to go. Give this a try, guys. Let me know what your experience is with it. Let me know down in the comments below. And if you have a healthy pre-workout recipe or a product that you'd like to have before your workout, let me know about that in the comments below. Before you go, over here is another video we made about why chocolate should also be a part of your pre-workout approach. I use our energy chocolate for that. And over here is another video that the YouTube algorithm thinks you might enjoy. And there's a link to our website if you want to try some of these products yourself. Have an amazing day and look forward to seeing you guys again next time.